Jain Monastery at Kalugumalai. Kalugumalai is a small village in Kovilpatti taluk of Tuticorin district. The present name Kalugumalai seems to be a later occurrence, named after the hillock in which some historical monuments are located. Earlier, the place was called Thirumalai and also Arai Malai. In the early Pandya records, it is referred to as Nenjuram and Tirunenjuram. This must have been originally Nenjuram and modified into a Nenjuchuram in due course of time. As said earlier, Kalugumalai seems to be have flourished politically as well as socially with its location on an ancient trade route. The Jain caves of these places are facing northeast, north and west. It seems to have flourished as a center of worship for Jains as well as an educational institution for monks and their disciples. This is evidenced by the depiction of hundreds of images of Tirthankaras with Vattaluthu records below the figures. As early Pandya records, starting from the 9th century, are found in Kalugumalai Jain Palli Monastery. One cannot ascertain that this center was instituted only during the 9th century. There are few Vatteluthu records assignable to the later part of the 8th century. Hence, the origin of the Jain Palli may be taken back to the last quarter of that century. The process of engraving the inscription in Vatteluthu characters was in vogue between 7th and 11th century in the Pandya country. From the days of Rajaraja I, the Chola monarch, to the 12th century, both Vatteluthu and the Tamil scriptures were used to inscribe on the temple walls in Pandya region. This probably is the transition period of indicating the shifting of the mode of writing Tamil script from Vatteluthu. From the above observation, one cannot ascertain that all the epigraphical records of Kalugumalai Jain Palli belongs to 8th to 9th century or 10th to 11th century. The earlier of Kalugumalai records belongs to the later part of 8th century. Some of them belong to the 11th century, and all others, probably a major part, belong to 9th and 10th century. It reveals that this Jain Palli flourished for a long span of 350 years. After the 13th century, it seems to have become extinct in the absence of patronage from Pandya rulers. The Chola rulers also supported the Jain here for a long period till the extinction. However, during the rule of the succeeding Vijayanagara Nayakar kings, stray reference are traceable as to the existence of the section in this area. Dr. V. Vedachalam, this was published in the Hindu Today paper as above. Kalugumalai inscription. The Jain monastery Kalugumalai has 100 Vatteluthu inscription volume South India inscription volume 5 number 308, South India inscription volume 5 number 406, epigraphical indica volume 15 F6, and they are inscribed below the bas relief and the label inscription South Indian inscription. South Indian volume 5 page pp 121 to 134.